Lebanese mezze offers a variety of small plates to share with others. Shawarma is a popular street food, made with rotisserie meat and spices. The aroma of sizzling meat fills the air at every shawarma counter. Thinly sliced meat is shaved from the spit and served in a flatbread wrap. Garlic sauce is a key ingredient, adding a rich and creamy flavor. The sauce is made with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil, blended together. Pickle slices add a tangy crunch to the shawarma, balancing the flavors. Flatbread is a staple in Lebanese cuisine, used to scoop up sauces and meats. At a Middle Eastern street food stall, the sounds and smells are enticing. Shawarma vendors skillfully wrap the meat and sauce in a warm flatbread. The combination of flavors and textures creates a delicious and satisfying bite. Each component, from the spit-roasted meat to the garlic sauce, is carefully prepared. At the shawarma counter, a savory aroma fills the air constantly. Shawarma spit is shaved into thin strips, ready for serving immediately. Flatbread wraps are warmed to perfection, awaiting the juicy filling. Garlic sauce is spread generously, adding a rich and creamy texture. Pickle slices add a tangy crunch, balancing the flavors nicely. The shawarma chef expertly wraps each flatbread, a delicate process. Herbs like parsley and mint are sprinkled on top, adding freshness. Aromatic spices waft from the rotating spit, enticing passers-by. Each bite of the shawarma wrap is a masterful blend of flavors. The combination of rotisserie meat and garlic sauce is unforgettable. Middle Eastern street food stalls showcase the beauty of shared plates. The tradition of wrapping shawarma in flatbread is a beloved cultural practice. Shawarma vendors skillfully shave meat from rotating spits daily. Flavors of rotisserie meat and spices fill the street food air. Aromatic garlic sauce is a crucial component of Lebanese mezze. Freshly baked flatbread is essential for wrapping shawarma tightly. Herbs like parsley and mint add freshness to the garlic sauce. Vendors carefully balance flavors to create the perfect sauce. Shawarma counters showcase the vibrant culture of shared plates. Wrapping flatbread around shawarma is a delicate, precise process. Pickles and vegetables add a satisfying crunch to each bite. Garlic sauce brings all the flavors of the shawarma together perfectly. Spit-roasted meat is always served hot, straight from the rotisserie. Lebanese garlic sauce is a delicious, tangy complement to shawarma. Shawarma vendors skillfully shave meat from the rotating spit daily. Flatbread wraps are filled with juicy shawarma and crunchy pickles. Aromatic garlic sauce is spread generously on each wrap. Herbs and spices add depth to the already rich flavors of shawarma. Lebanese mezze culture revolves around shared plates and warm hospitality. Friends and family gather to enjoy shawarma and flatbread together. Street food stalls offer a wide variety of mezze dishes to try. Shawarma counters are always bustling with activity and savory smells. Vendors take great care in preparing each flatbread wrap by hand. Garlic sauce is a staple condiment that complements shawarma perfectly. Pickles and herbs add a nice crunch and freshness to each bite. Lebanese mezze and shawarma have become beloved street food favorites worldwide. Flavors blend as vendors wrap flatbread around juicy shawarma. Garlic sauce is spread generously, adding a rich aroma. Herbs and pickles complement the dish with freshness and crunch. Flatbread wraps are filled with love, care, and delicious ingredients. Shawarma counters bustle with activity, serving hungry customers. Vendors take pride in their craft, preparing each dish meticulously. Rotating spits fill the air with savory scents, enticing passers-by. Shawarma and flatbread are a perfect pair, satisfying and delicious. Garlic sauce brings people together, a shared love for the flavor. Lebanese mezze and shawarma continue to captivate hearts and taste buds. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.